How to fix Bootrec/Fixboot access denied on Windows. 1. Get a new ISO. 2. Fix the UEFI boot in command prompt under Windows Safe Mode. Commands include disk part list disk cell disk hashtag list vol cell vol hashtag assign letter equals B, exit B, format B, /fsfet32, put C : /Windows /SV, /FUEFI reboot your computer. Plan B, run these. Commands to repair your boot sector or rebuild BCD, Bootrec/rebuild, Bootrec/fixboot, Bootrec/fixboot plan C, CHKTSKC/R3. Run startup repair or use automatic repair. 4. Disable fast boot in BIOS. 5. Clean install Windows.